Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog, very first vlog of the channel. This is my current space. I've been working out of this space for almost 2 years and I have outgrown it. So I'm currently in the process of moving everything around. So here we go. Yes, all of my racks, everything is up here. I'm gonna repaint my new space. I'm excited. Ooh. Look, this is pretty much how big it is. Not very large at all. And this is my new space, y'all. This is so much bigger. So much more space. And it comes with so much storage, okay? Okay, vlog, you see these stripes that I have? The black and the pink. Okay, so I'm gonna do pretty much the same concept, but with a different color. It's gonna be purple and silver and white. And I'm not doing the border because in my new space I have crown molding and I don't think they want me to paint over it, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. But yes, here we go. They're gonna be mounting my TV. And I'm literally like around the corner. Literally around the corner. This one is my next one. And I think I'm gonna be doing not just one wall this time because this room is bigger. I might be doing this wall too. And leaving this wall and this wall blank. In my last studio I had 2 windows. This one I just have this one big one. I like that because it gives me more wall space instead of window. But I absolutely love this extra room, this closet with all this storage in my sink. It's really, really nice. Okay, you guys, don't mind my husband. He's over there just putting my racks up for me. But as you can see, it's still a work in progress. Still putting stuff together here. And as you can see, I got a lot of stuff to put up. A lot of stuff to clean. And with my Airvex system, that was a movable one. The other one was in the ceiling. And they said it would be easier to just let me have that one instead. Alright, vlog. This is what I'm left with. Everything is moved. All of my stuff is moved. I'm gonna miss this space. I really am, because it's my baby. It's my first space. And I don't know, you know, I'm nervous. Moving to a bigger space. I guess they say move on to bigger and better things. But yes, I'm gonna mop these floors. These floors are trash. I hate them. Okay, you guys, this is my new and improved space. It is so beautiful to me. I love it so much. I appreciate my husband for helping me put in the work to get here. I love it so much. It's not complete. I do have a few more decor pieces I want to add here and there, but y'all know how that goes, okay? So yeah, please be sure to stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. I have so many ideas for this channel. I want to, do nails and show my process of how I do things and just do vlogs possibly. So yeah, just stay tuned, like, comment, share, and subscribe, okay? And I will talk to y'all next time.